Hey guys, welcome back. So this is Rajnikant. Welcome to my YouTube channel Rajja Btech. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss about this typography by using the Canva. So typography is one of the concept in the editing part that will going to change the shape of your text. You can be just arrange in the form of curve, and you can just do with some miracles with the text that you are writing. So let's see that how you will going to do by using the Canva. uh, so first, go to the any web browser that you have. Just go to the Canva home page and type it. Select the any design that you want to be selected. So I always go with a thumbnail design. So let's assume that I'm just doing one thumbnail design by using on the concept called typography. So select the background. Basically, just I always go with a background color as black. So just edit the little bit, that by that you will going to get some different kind of the colors. So okay, so this is a concept. So I want to add the text. So in a text I have a different type of the apps and typography. Okay, type execute and type craft, and these all are called the typography. So let's I'm selecting the type crust. Okay, so when you select the type crust, what will happen, it will going to take the certain period of the loading time is there actually. So my network issues is very slow, so that's the reason it's happening. So this is a text. Okay, so let's see that my name is Rajnikant, right? Rajnikant. So this is a selected text for me that I'm selected. So by default font is selected as Chido 123. So if I can be change the font as I want. So font style can be selected based on my requirement. So if I like this font, I will go with that. If I like this font, I will go with that. If I like this, I will go with this font. If I Bellaza 123, this is also be one of the best font it look like. So yeah, you have selected the one type of the font, and you can also change horizontally, like mirror points. So you can change horizontally, vertically, and whatever it may be. So if you want to just change the color, so better to go with I always prefer to go with a dark blue color. So let's say that this is my for typography. So I can be just, you guys can see that I will be drag and drop in a curve shape, in a semicircle way. So this is I can do as well. I can do in such way that I can be extend a few of the words, and I can decrease lots of small words, and I can do miracles with that in a way that how I wanted to be designed this design, that that I can do very easily. So this is starting like this, and it's going like this, and it is coming in a straight slant right, and the slant head is taking. And so yeah, you have done with your designing part, and you can be just select the style of the font, only selecting this is called style, like adding the some kind of activities to your text. So this is my selected font. So if I add this design to my design, so how it will be look like, it's not displaying in a proper way. So what I will going to do, I will just change the background based on that, by it will going to be displayed in such a way that very nicely. So let's guys see that this is how I just done. So Rajnikant is the design that I have chosen. So I can be add my image here. That is my image. Where is my image? So it is in the upload section. Okay, so from the upload section, I'm selecting one of the images that I wanted to upload. So basically I will go with this image. So this image, animated image, is not there. So what I will going to do, I will go with the background remote. Just click for the background remove background remover. So background has removed successfully, and just bring this text into the front. So click for the layer and bring to front. Okay, so this is how it will going to be work. So Rajnikanth typography. So another thing is the type lettering in the sense you can take the type lettering, particularly different kind of the letterings are there. So this is the kind of the letterings are there. So I will selecting with this small kind of the lettering. So today is there, change the text. Okay, so I can also be change the font size. It's a Pathia is a font size, so I can be changed in a regular format. So this is font I changed. So add to design. So instantly when you click for that, it has been changed very easily. And the thing is that background is not looks like due to background it's not looking like good. So let's say add with this. No, better to go with the white, but pure white is not properly looking. And so yeah, this is how you will going to be just change the font size. So this is me what I want. Only the action whenever you are designing the thumbnail, only the thing is that you make sure that add the watch button, watch now. So this is called action button. So watch now. So when you add the action button, people will get to understand that you have to watch kind of the videos. So this is only the thumbnail has been designed very easily. So just click for the download and select the PNG format, and limit of the KB is 1000 KB that I want. So click for the limit for resize file and just click for the edit, enter. The photo will be downloaded very easily. So oh my god, it has been take 7 minutes of time. No worries, this is how you will going to do the videos. Thank you.